Hey guys, I'm Tim and welcome to Westcott Workshop. Today we're going to be continuing to organize my shed here. If you haven't seen the first part, go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link up top. If you've seen that already, let's go ahead and get to work. When I first got this shed a few years ago, I went ahead and built this workbench that's behind me, and it covers about 2/3 of this wall. I decided at the time to leave this space open, and it's worked pretty well. I do most of my work outside. It means I bring my table saw out, I set it up, I bring my chop saw out and I set it up. But I've decided that I'd finally like a spot where I can leave my chop saw set up. Well, the workbench is finished and the miter saw is put in place. The miter itself is level and the workbench that it butted up to is level. There's about a 1/16 of an inch, maybe a little less difference in the height of the two. So when I actually bolt it in place, I'll probably put a small washer underneath the four corners of the miter, and that'll bring them perfectly level with each other, so it'll be great. Well, the table saw fits underneath the top perfectly. I'm happy with how it turned out. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'd love for you to subscribe and be part of the Westcott Workshop team. And yep, it's about 95 degrees outside, warmer here in the shed, so I'm gonna call this finished. I'm gonna go inside, cool off. But until next time, guys, keep building.